Look! We're reunited once again.
We did it.
Yes. After like months of not vlogging or anything, we finally did it, and we are at Fashion Island. So many dogs.
So bougie.
So rich. But we're so poor.
I mean, yes and no.
Anyways, we're on our way to look for food and then go to the beach to tan. Yay! We made it to Lemonade. We got our food. I got the mango chicken bowl. Vanessa got the exact same thing. What did you get?
I forgot. Salmon.
Salad. Yes, and then we all got lemonade. Bon appetit, people. We finished eating. So we're all full, so we're just walking around Fashion Island. There's a truck. Why is there a truck over there?
I think that's the facial place.
Oh. Alright. Well, we're gonna continue walking. There's a bunch of dogs here. A lot of
Loving
dogs.
it.
Yes, it's great.
We have made it to the beach. A lot of people here. A lot of dogs. It's windy. Will be thick and a fabulous trash can.
We are done at the beach, and now where are we gonna go eat?
Soup Plantation.
If you don't know what Soup Plantation is, it's like a healthy buffet, right?
Yeah,
I don't know.
that's
I've
how
never
I
been.
describe.
I think that's what it is.
You never eat in there either?
No, like the last time I ate was with you and
Cross.
and he who shall not be named, but yeah. So now.
Oh, there's also a really cute coffee place. Like, the coffee is really good. Should we try that for dessert, guys?
But they have ice cream over there. That's my dessert right there.
Yeah, but also coffee. I'm just here for the ride.
She doesn't try much food, so.
We're opening her to new things. There's also a really cute coffee place down there. Whatever floats your boat.
Alright, we're gonna go eat.
Boop.